come from?
The parish of Trelawny. I leave Trelawny and came to Kingston. Me alone.
Me alone.
I come at the age of 15.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
We have not but some did.
How many?
Well, in all, I have 7 brothers. 8 brothers and two daughters, 2 sisters of us. But now, me only having 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Where did your family originated from?
My father is from Trelawny, my mother is from Manchester.
Is your family mixed?
Yes. My father is a Syrian, and my mother is a half Maroon.
And half?
My mother mixed with Chinese, you know. Our father is a half Chinese, but our mother is Maroon.
How many children do you have?
I have 10 children.
How many died?
2 sons died, leaving me with 7 daughters and 1 son.
If you had a chance to live back in Trelawny, would you?
Yes, but leave on what occasion would I live there?
Suppose, like, they left the house. Like, they left the house for you. What would you do with it?
Well, would rent out part of it and leave a room also that when we're ready to go, we have, you know, where to stay. If we don't have no intention to live there.
What kind of food do you love to eat?
What kind of food we love to eat?
Yes.
Yam and pork.
One Jamaican dish that you enjoy.
Fish.
What else?
And soup.
Who is your favorite reggae artist?
Reggae artist.
Yeah, any reggae artist you like? Who you like?
Beenie Man.
Beenie Man, okay.
A dancer.
A dancer artist.
Yeah.
Anything.
Yes. Anything, not really matter.
No, more than something. No.
Have you ever been to the US?
No.
Have you ever been to Canada?
No.
Have you ever been to UK?
None of them.
Have you ever left Jamaica before?
No.
If you go to abroad, would you live abroad?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No, we are like home. No, we go and come. Now when you call up, let me not see it.
What kind of language do you speak?
English patwa, anyone come.
Say a few stuff in patwa.
Come back here. How you go? Pick me in our ear.
Try speaking straight English right now.
Come here. Where are you going? You know what? Not English. I mean, I don't want to say.
Can you try speaking with an accent, like you're from abroad?
Yeah.
Try do it.
Well, you know, I like I went away and I come back to Jamaica. I like the country. It's very cool, you know.
How do you look about Jamaican dish, ackee and saltfish?
Well, you clean up the ackee, and you put the water on the stove to boil. When the water boiling, you wash the ackee, put it in and then in the pot. And then some people boil the fish with it, but you can boil the fish separate. And then after the ackee cook, you take it off, you clean up the saltfish, wash it, and you put your frying pan on the fire, you put a little oil, you add in your seasoning and things, and then you put in the fish, and then the ackee, and your black pepper and thing, and stir it up, and that's it.
So you look about rice and peas.
Rice and peas. Well, you wash your peas and put it to soak.
Is it very simple?
Yeah. And when it's peas cook, you put in your coconut milk, you add your seasoning like pepper, scallion, thyme, and like salt, and when it's well cooked down, you wash your rice and you put in, and you have it on a low fire till it cook right down. That's it. Yes, I will do cooking, but not again.
You have to move fast.
We can't stand up to it again.
But you're an elderly, so you
can't stand up to it again.
Okay. What do you like most about Jamaican culture?
The dance and the food.
How food? You see, right? Cost of living gone up. But Sister P win.
Anything in mind you that add to the country?
No, nothing to add.
What is your favorite thing about Jamaica?
My favorite thing about Jamaica? Well, only the crime I don't like, but everything else is alright.
You love everything else? Oh, cool.
I like the country, it's very cool, you know.
What is today's date?
Today's date is January 29, 20 and 12. No, 20 and 12. Oh, that's like a mistake, isn't it?